Hi, this is Mark Sylvester, the CEO of introNetworks, with a tutorial on how to use forums, groups, and resources. In general, forums are collections of people around projects or special affinity or special interests. You can find those groups under the groups menu. Notice there are not a lot of groups now, but this will grow. If you'd like to create a group, you click the create button, and then you'll go through and give it a name, a summary. Give it lots of descriptive words, because people will search for groups want to be able to search for them easily, and then decide, is this a general interest group or a project group? And then here's the interesting thing. Will there be resources or things like websites, white papers, PowerPoints that people will want in this group? Will there be a lot of meetings? Will you need calendars, or will you need forums and discussions? Answer those questions, then hit the next button. So let's look at a group that's already been set up. The workshop committee group, and this is the group of people that are the early adopters and helping in the advisory role. We can see this group has tags so that the group can be easily found, and we can see that we could see all of the members of the group. We can also see there are resources for the group, and you can see that here. So remember I said the difference between a resource and a forum was discussion. So if I click on forums and discussions, we'll see them all here. So if I go to what resources do you want out of this, there's the initial post that was done by Robin, and that stays up here. I can reply to it. I can subscribe to this, so if I want to get notified anytime there's a new discussion, and I can see all of the discussions here. Here's the most current one. So if I want to reply to what Carolyn has said here, I click the reply button, and now I get a window. Now, if I don't want to include all of the information that was in there before, I can just delete it and type in my response. I can even change the title of my response if I want to take the conversation in a little bit of a different direction. So it's very, very easy to do that. You can reply to any one of the posts within the main thread. You can actually go in and do that. And then you navigate up here. So when you want to talk about something, you want to start a discussion, the best way to do it is in the forums. There are global forums where you can get into discussions that are not related to a specific group. So for instance, the board related issues group, I can look at first time board members, and this is all information for first time board members. If there's someone here I don't know, I want to learn more about them, I just click on their picture, and then I can get to learn more about them very, very easily. Now, resources are information like white papers or RSS feeds or links. So here we can see these are very simply just links. The best thing, though, best practice, is to actually put in a lot of information here, because all of this is searchable. So if I search in for the word board, it's going to search and show me, oh, there's a resource title called Board Source. So if you want your resources to be found, you want to do that. Same thing with forums. So all the forums can be searched. So if I type in just the word board, it's going to show me here are all of the forums with the word board in it, and I can see the word is highlighted. And in fact here, just when he posted this, he actually attached a document to it. So if you want people to discuss a document, this is the right place to do it. If you want this document to be a resource, the best place to put it is over in the resources area. So this is a very, very powerful way to use the system to collaborate with people on projects of general interest, to be able to post information very, very easily. And if last little trick is, if you want to see all the members of a group on the pin view, just click connections and pin view, and then I can see there's all the people and how they relate to me. Hope this helps you get more out of the nonprofit resource network. If you have questions or want to contact us, click the contact button down here. If you have help questions, you can click the help button here. And on any one of the pages in the system that you see a little help icon, just click that. It'll bring it up as well. Thank you.